Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tasks from Wrike to Smartsheet, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer tasks from Wrike to Smartsheet, start by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the project or folder containing the tasks you want to transfer. Select the tasks you wish to export by checking the boxes next to them. Once selected, locate the Options menu, typically represented by 3 dots or a drop-down arrow. Choose the option to export or download the tasks. Select the format you want to export in, commonly CSV or Excel. Download the file and save it to your device for easy access. Next, log into your Smartsheet account. Create a new sheet or open an existing one where you want to import the tasks. In Smartsheet, find the option to import data, usually located in the File menu. Select the import method that corresponds to the file format you exported from Wrike. Upload the file you previously downloaded from Wrike. Review the data mapping options that Smartsheet provides. Make sure that each column in your file corresponds to the correct column in Smartsheet. Adjust any settings as necessary to ensure tasks are imported properly. Click on the Import button to begin transferring your tasks. Once the import is complete, review your Smartsheet to confirm all tasks appear accurately. If needed, make any adjustments to task details, such as due dates or assignees. Finally, save your changes to ensure everything is up to date. Now you can efficiently manage your tasks in Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.